you guys looking at? Oh, I know. You're here to see how we sleep a child or two in a cargo conversion camper trailer. You've probably already seen the video how we sleep two adults. I'm going to show you how we DIY a child or two, depending on how large the kids are. Now, when you're in a small space like this, you got to figure out how to do things and be smart about it. This is our dining room table / coffee table / whatever. It has adjustable legs. That's going to be the base to the kids' bed. And over here, we got a custom-made cushion that we made. And we took some slats and bed risers for the floor. I'm going to show you how all this stuff works. Hang on. Now, this is so simple, you're going to be saying, damn, why didn't I think of that? But that's okay. I thought of it for you. Let's go ahead and get our table off the wall. Now, as you can see, it's just a regular table that I made. And it's got legs that they're adjustable, but we're going to keep it flat for now. So basically, we'll leave it flat like this. And we're going to take these custom-made risers I made, which is basically two 1x4s put together with some cushioning on the bottom. And these are bed risers you get from Walmart to get your bed out the ground this way. But the way it's going to work is we're going to put them the opposite way, and this part will rest on the floor, lifting the table up. So let's get started on this, and I'll show you, and you're going to be amazed. I promise. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get these risers on here and get the bed top laying down flat. Pretty simple. That's down. The bed is flat. Now let's get a cushion on here. Now, as you can see, here's the cushion. So little guys or gals can sleep right here. Our grandson, he's about 8 now. He actually slept here. And then we had our beds I just showed you on the last video where we slept. So 3 people could sleep in it comfortably. Or if we got 2 little small ones, it probably could fit on here as well. I'll give you a closer look at this. See, so here we go. Even with the kid beds down and we bring the adult bed out, there's still room to get out of here if you have to. You can just squeeze right through here and get out, which is no problem. But here's the crown jewel. You can actually sleep a little one with you for that grandchild or a little child or whoever wants to come camping with you. You can take them. And see, there's just the bed risers underneath there holding it up. What about that?